Smart technology provides unprecedented control over the amount of light, privacy and heat that enters a space and is ideal for commercial, residential, retail store, medical and automotive front applications.
Our product has the ability to redefine environments and create a multifunctional space that adapts and responds to the needs of its users. The potential applications of smart film are limitless.
Smart film is operated by a simple electrical switch, which controls the opacity of the film, turning it from clear to translucent. It can easily be integrated into home automation systems too, giving you even more control.